This week, we highlight another life well lived. In the summer of 1958, the recently married Mildred and Richard Loving woke in the middle of the night to police flashlights in their faces as they lay in their own bed at home in Caroline County, Virginia. Mildred says she told the sheriff, "I'm his wife." The sheriff replied, "Not here, you're not." It was the beginning of a story that would end in a landmark Supreme Court decision. The Lovings were arrested and pleaded guilty to violating Virginia's Racial Integrity Act, which prohibited mixed-race marriages. Facing a year in jail, they agreed instead to leave the state and not return for 25 years. By 1963, though, Richard and Mildred wanted to move back home to Virginia. They wrote a letter to Attorney General Robert F. Kennedy, who passed it on to the ACLU, where it landed on the desk of a young attorney named Bernard Cohen. 29 years old and admittedly inexperienced, Cohen took the case. He was undeterred by the ongoing threats he received as he and his co-counsel, Philip Hirschkoff, took Loving versus the Commonwealth of Virginia all the way to the Supreme Court, where Cohen argued that a ban on interracial marriage violated equal protection and due process. The court agreed unanimously, with Chief Justice Earl Warren famously writing that the law was odious to a free people. The case was the subject of a 2011 documentary and an Academy Award-nominated film where Cohen was played by actor Nick Kroll.
Is there anything you'd like me to say to the Supreme Court Justices of the United States?
Yeah. Tell the judge I love my wife.
After Loving, Cohen continued his career as an attorney and was elected in 1980 as a member of the Virginia House of Delegates, where he served for 16 years. The Loving decision was cited as precedent in another landmark Supreme Court decision nearly a half-century later, when same-sex marriage was legalized in every state. Bernard Cohen, who argued and won a case that reshaped the country, died on Monday in Fredericksburg, Virginia. He was 86 years old.